So, hi everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in this video, we talk about how to speak without fear to anyone or some of the people. Because of guys, if you, I like to share my thoughts because of it is important for the everyone. Why some people are learning the English and sharing those thoughts in the communicate with some people. It is interesting, guys. I am also facing so many struggles there, but after that, I am the overcoming for the situations because of if you not the trusted me, you go and watch the old videos. Yeah, you can see my progress because of my YouTube videos. Day one of that, I'm struggling the so many things because of nowadays I can just speak the comfortable with the English because of I improve my confidence and also I am practicing my English every day. It is important, guys. It is easy for to talk to someone other some people, and also if you have any of the connection to speaking with the English, it is the fine. Don't worry about that, guys. Because of you have yourself, you can speak with yourself. It is the important, guys. You can speak with yourself, the loud or the in front of the mirror. It is easy for you because of I'm also doing those kind of the tricks. It is important for the everyone. You put the wish what you expecting to the everyone. There are the speaking like that. If you expecting to someone will you speak with you, it is never happen because of you having any of the people. How will you the talk about some of the people? It is the hard for the everyone. So you could the try to speak with the alone. If you have the good friend or if you have any of the people, yeah, you can speak the confidently. Yeah, you can they talk to each other some people. This are fine, guys. So how to say the initially I'm also the struggling, I'm also the searching, I'm also expecting for the some of the people. Yeah, I need some people that talk to English, but I can't because of I haven't any of the those kind of the interesting people because of I'm also even the trying to the communicate with some of the people. It is a fine for me. Like even I give my best. Some of time I am the missed. I am the confusing some of the time. It is a fine, guys. It is a happen for the every beginner. It is a okay for to to something the learning. It is a new language because of we haven't this language our mother tongue. It is a second language. So initially, it is just so many the struggling there. It is a everyone. It is the happen for the some of the people. The I would say it is a fine for the everyone. But you put the practicing need, guys. So yeah, in this video we talk about like how to speak without fear because of now how to say initially I am just speaking the wrong way, the grammatical structure. If you're speaking the don't the how to say the much better than I am speaking the grammatically, so it is the correct way. It is the if you're speaking the wrong, it is a fine, guys. Because of if you how will you speak, how will you the communicate? It is the only it is the communication language, not the fluent on the advanced English. It is the no need for that. So it is a basic the communication for compared to our mother tongue. It is a professional way. Yeah, we are the learning the English. So don't put much effort for the it is a grammatical or the like that way. It is the after you have experience, yeah, you have some of the way experience, yeah. After that, you focus on the grammatical. In your opinion, if you the practice English, it is automatically it's the game for your the grammatically improve. So that is the important, guys. So don't wait for the perfect time. It is a never game, guys. So yeah, in this video, I'm talking about how to speak English without fear. It is the important, guys. So yeah, if you helpful this video or if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. So yeah, we are the together learning the English, and also if you have any other topics I will talk about, so please let me in the comment section. Surely I will make that video and post on that. Okay, thanks for the watching. We gonna see next video. Also share if you helpful. Also share with your friends and families. It is helpful for me. It is a boost my the conference I will make some of that videos. Okay, thank you. We're gonna see you next video.